Are you on the hunt for the perfect Christmas gift ideas? Or maybe you're looking for a fun and productive way to spend your holiday break but aren't sure what to do or where to start? Well, I've got you covered. In today's video, I'll take you through my favorite crochet projects that I've made so you can get inspiration for your own holiday creations. Additionally, I'll be sharing the ideas for customization because everybody loves a gift made just for them, tips and tricks to make your projects extra special, and the yarns and hooks I use. The best news is that every project in this video has a YouTube tutorial on my channel and a complete written pattern on my website chubbiesbyash.com. Without further ado, let's get started. First up, we have this super popular Snoopy keychains. My audience loves this one so much. I've seen a lot of people do it, which I'm very happy about. I have this sitting Snoopy, and for this one, I've seen someone added a tiny little swing so that he can sit on it. And for the standing Snoopy, I've seen people make their own cute little accessories like this. I think it's so adorable. And one of my favorites is this creator who made Halloween Snoopies, which I love so much. I think you can use it as an inspiration to make your Christmas Snoopy. If you want to add a touch of personality to your gift, I don't think there is anything better than these inside-out characters. I think that would be so cool if you made like all of them. Wear those keychains according to your mood. You're basically telling people this is how I feel today. If it was me, I think I'll be carrying fear and anger most of the time. I believe they will also make such fun gifts for your friends and family who you think represent these emotions. If the previous projects were too difficult for you, I have this beginner-friendly with minimal sewing Fruity Cats keychains. You can customize the cap to make it into your favorite fruits. Since this is Christmas season, you should definitely check them out. I have these mini items under Christmas theme and vibe. I think it would be so cute if you made all of them and turned them into little garlands like these ones and hang them in your room or onto the Christmas tree. That would be so cute. I don't have any extra space or Christmas tree in my room, so please someone do it and show me. I want to see. If you love fruit costumes, you should definitely check them out. I have this Cinnamoroll and Hello Kitty dressed up as strawberries, which I think is just adorable. Okay, that was a really good transition. I'm very talented. I have this mini guitar keychains for the music lovers, or you can make them as a gift for someone who is in a band who are into music. That would be a really nice and considerate gift for them. You can also customize them with the keychains that you have or play around with the fun colors. I just love these kittens wearing headphones so much. I think a lot of people started noticing my channel after I uploaded this tutorial. So they're just precious to me, and I think they will also make such a cute and fun gift for anyone who loves cats and music. And honestly, they're such a vibe, I think. Here comes one of the most underrated tutorials on my YouTube channel. I hope a lot of people would do them more. They are holding these tiny leaves, which are just so cute. This one is holding a clover. It has details on the cup like this one. So it can be a little bit challenging for beginners, but I think they would be such a perfect thing to make if you love earthy and whimsical vibe. I honestly think this is the most aesthetic thing I've ever made. I just love them so much. They are adorable, elegant, and coquette. You can make them for yourself and maybe for your friend group, and you'll wear them together on your bags so that everyone knows that you're just a group of aesthetic and crafty girlies. Here comes the popular guys. They are the second most popular tutorial on my channel. They're squishy, stress relieving. I think they honestly deserve the hype. I added a tail on this one, which you can do too if you want. The ones who don't get the hype but totally deserve one are these additional animals that I added to this cubic series. I added 4 additional animals with the same basic shape. I have this monkey, this very cute axolotl, capybara, and panda. I think these animals are also just adorable. You should definitely do them as well. And I also saw someone put something like this into the panda. I think it makes them more fun and squishy to play around. I would definitely try that if I had that material to put inside. And for something cozy and fall vibe, I have these fox keychains, the little fox wrapped up in a tiny scarf. I think they are very cute and not very difficult to make. I would say they are beginner friendly. It would also be such a great gift, especially for someone who loves fall animals. I made these cats for Halloween, but you can definitely make them for the Christmas season as well. Just remove the hat and it's just a normal cat. Or you can turn the hat into Santa Claus hat and turn it into a Christmas cat and give to a cat lover. Since we're talking about fall, I don't think we should leave her out my tiny Elsa, which I think is so cute. Look at her hair, which is braided, the snowflakes on her dress. I think she's just so tiny and adorable. You should definitely check her out as well. Okay, now let's move to another category, crochet puzzles and usables. I think you guys love this pencil case so much. I think it's because they are so simple and easy to make. They are very functional as well. You can put your pens, markers, or maybe your crochet hooks. And I believe they would be such a really cute and useful gift for others as well. Next up, we have got this ribbon pouch. I love them so much. I love their shape and structure. They look so firm and sturdy, but also very cute. You can store your daily mini essentials or AirPods in them. You can try them out with the different colors and accessories to add a touch of personality to these pouches. Here comes the star of my channel. They are the most popular tutorial on my channel. I think they also deserve their place. They're just so cute and useful. I saw someone make them long like this and they said they put their notepads or digital camera in them. This is such a good example. You can add more rows and customize them to fit your belongings. For the cat lovers and Hello Kitty lovers, you should definitely try them. I believe the one who received this gift will also love them. They are very easy to make, beginner friendly, no sewing required at all, and they are super cute and useful. Plus, you can also customize them to turn into your favorite character. For a fun and refreshing vibe, you should definitely try these fruit pouches. I have got apple, tomato, and pumpkin, but of course you can turn it into your favorite fruit like lemon, orange, or watermelon, just like these crocheters did. And I saw someone attach this pouch onto her bag like this to carry her lipsticks, which is so clever. I should try this too. This is my latest tutorial on my channel, the card holder wallet. They are compact, stylish, useful, and aesthetic. They are perfect for keeping your cards and cash organized in the cutest way possible. I think they will be such a great gift for someone as well. They are beginner friendly, no sewing required. You should definitely check them out. Now let's talk about the yarns I use. Every project I mentioned up to this point is made using these yarns. I use two brands. This is the first brand. The brand name is written in Chinese, so I can't read it. It has a 100-gram ball. I love this yarn so much. It's non-fuzzy and very good to work with. This is the second brand, which is called Susan's Family. This is also a Chinese brand. I also love this yarn so much. It has more colors compared to the previous brand. These yarns are mostly known as mid-cotton yarns. They are about 3mm thick, and I use them with mostly 3mm hook. Sometimes I will use them with a 2.5mm hook. The hooks I use are from the brand called Tulip. As a bonus tip, I would like to tell you to invest in a good denim needle. I got them from Clover. I love them so much. They can definitely change your life as a crocheter. It can make the sewing process a lot more easier and more enjoyable. Now let's talk about another type of yarn that I use, which is called the Chenille yarn. I use 3 sizes. Let's start with the biggest size. This is called the chunky Chenille yarn, which is about 7mm thick. I would usually use it with a 6mm hook. I will talk about the projects I made with that chunky Chenille yarn. First one is this My Melody plushie. Actually, I made My Melody and cinnamon roll. I give the cinnamon roll to a friend, but you can find it in my tutorials. They are very easy and quick to make because the yarn is quite big. Another one is my favorite. This Miffy pillow is just so soft, squishy, and very cuddly. I love this one so much. You can put it on your couch, on your bed, and it will also be such a great gift for someone who loves cozy home decors. It is also very easy to make. You should definitely check it out. For those who love crochet characters, I also have this strawberry pom pom purin and Miffy plushie made using this chunky yarn. They are also easy and quick to make. You don't need many rows since the yarn is quite big. You can finish them in 2 or 3 hours. This is the middle size Chenille yarn that I use. This yarn is about 4 to 5 millimeter thick. I usually use it with a 4 millimeter crochet hook. I've only made one project with this yarn, which is this Choco Cat, which is also a very popular tutorial on my channel. I also try my best to make him look like the real character, so I think a lot of people love him. If you're a Sanrio lover, you should definitely check him out. It would be such a perfect gift for a Sanrio lover as well. This is the smallest chenille yarn that I use. I think it is the same size as the cotton yarn, which is about 3 millimeter thick, so I will use it with a 3 millimeter crochet hook. I made this super cute and coquette teddy bears using this yarn, but the dress is made with the cotton yarn. They are tiny, nice to touch, and also very aesthetic in my opinion. And if you want a bigger teddy bear, of course you can make it with the chunky yarn, just like this one, and you can turn it into a cuddly sized teddy bear. These are the very popular mochi bunnies in my channel. They do look like mochis though, which I think is so cute. They're very squishy and also easy to make with no sewing required at all. I saw someone make these bunnies with the fluffy yarn, which turned out really nice. It even looks like the manufacturer stuffed toy. You should definitely try with the fluffy yarn. I also saw this giant mochi bunny. I think they doubled the pattern to make it look really big, which is so cute. And finally, we have this cozy frog with his mini accessories, the tiny scarf, and the crossbody bag. He is really cute. I think it would be such a great gift for the kids who love to play dress up. So these are the crochet gift ideas that I have for you guys. I hope this video was very helpful and could inspire you for your Christmas gift ideas or for your holiday activities. Thank you so much for watching, and also a huge shout out to those who followed my patterns, posted the pictures, and mentioned me as a pattern designer. I'm very grateful to all of you. Please let me know which project you are making, which project was your favorite in the comment section down below. Bye bye and happy crocheting!